Why use color coding in Google Calendar?
Color coding your schedule in Google Calendar makes it much easier to visually organize events, meetings, and tasks. Assigning different colors to categories like work, personal, or study time helps you spot important events at a glance. This method not only declutters your calendar, but also boosts your ability to focus by clearly separating different areas of your life.
Setting up your categories.
Before you start, decide on the main types of activities you want to track. Common categories include work, family, exercise, hobbies, and appointments. Make a list and choose a distinct color for each. Keeping your categories simple and consistent helps you quickly recognize what your day or week looks like and ensures your color coding system remains effective.
Applying colors to events.
Open Google Calendar and create or edit an event. Click the color palette next to the event title. Select the color assigned to its category. You can also change default calendar colors for recurring categories. This process takes only a few seconds per event, but instantly transforms your calendar into a more visually organized tool for better time management.
Tips for maintaining your color system.
For maximum benefit, be consistent with your color choices across all events. Avoid using too many similar shades, which can cause confusion. Regularly review and update your categories as your priorities shift. If your schedule changes often, take a few minutes each week to update your calendar colors and keep everything easy to read.
Boosting focus with color-coded schedules.
A color-coded calendar not only keeps you organized, but also helps you stay focused. Being able to quickly scan and recognize different types of commitments reduces stress and helps you prepare for what's ahead. With clear visual separation, it's easier to switch between work and personal time, supporting better work-life balance and productivity.